My name is Nicholas Schiwitz, and I am a forestry wildlife management major with a spatial science minor.
My name is Krista Ward, and my major is biology, and I'm minoring in forestry.
My name is Kasey Jobe, and I am a biology major with an emphasis in ecology and evolutionary sciences, and I'm minoring in forestry by means of wildlife management.
So we are investigating the installation methods and how that affects snake entanglement and erosion control blankets. This is a continuation of last year's project. So last summer they were trying to figure out what kinds of products and mesh products entangle snakes most often and what is going to have the largest negative impact on snake entanglement. So this summer we're trying to see out of those blankets, out of the ones that create that negative impact, whether installation methods will reduce that entanglement or not.
And we have two arenas set up. One where we have the erosion control blankets laid out with exposed edges, as in there's no buried edges, it's just exposed. And then the other arena, we have an erosion control blanket laid out where we've covered the edge with dirt. And what we'll do is we'll take any snakes that we've caught, we'll put them in the center of this arena, and we'll give them 3 minutes. And after 3 minutes, we'll see if they move onto the blanket, how many attempts they've tried to pass through the blanket, and then if they've gotten entangled in the blanket or not.
This research has been extremely beneficial to me because in the beginning of this project, I knew that I wanted to do something scientific, something science-based, but I didn't know exactly what that occupation would be. And working in the research field, doing field work, even writing those papers has been very satisfying, and it has been an experience that I would not give up. And I've kind of chosen my career based on this experience. So based on what we wrote last year, the research paper that we submitted to Wildlife Society Bulletin should be published within the next couple of weeks or the beginning of next month. And hopefully we're hoping to get a couple more papers out of this research this year. So
also with this experience, we have the opportunity to present this research at an international conference called Joint Meeting of Herpetologists and Ichthyologists, and we get to present among worldwide scientists in herpetology. So that's an incredible opportunity for us to network and to further our careers and meet new people to possibly that would be advisors to us in graduate school or PhDs. And that's an incredible opportunity for an undergraduate to get.